Welcome back to part 2 on division. Now that you have learned long division, you need to practice the operation. Work with a friend or partner to solve the following using the method you have learned today. 96 divided by 6, 896 divided by 8, 945 divided by 3, and 647 divided by 4. You can pause the video to work these out, and when you're ready for the solutions, press play. Did you manage to do the division sums? What were your solutions? Did they look like this? Let's look at the first three. Did you get the same answers? 96 divided by 6 equals 16. 896 divided by 8 equals 112. And 945 divided by 3 equals 315. Remember, you can check your answers using multiplication. 16 times 6 equals 96. 112 times 8 equals 896. And 315 times 3 equals 945. What about number 4? Did you have a problem with number 4? Number 4 has a new learning. There are times when you cannot get a complete rounded number as your answer. This is because sometimes you get items left over that cannot be divided equally. And what's left over is called a remainder, which we then write above the long division symbol next to our answer. So we have 647 divided by 4 gives us 161 with a remainder of 3. So what the sum is actually saying is that 4 goes into 647 161 times with 3 left over, or a remainder of 3. On your screen is 30 chocolate Easter eggs that must be shared with a family of 9. When you share the eggs, we divide 30 by 9. The number sentence we're going to get is 30 divided by 9 equals. So now let's use long division to work this sum out. First, we need to rewrite our number sentence using the long division symbol. So 30 divided by 9. Now we are ready to start. The first step is to ask how many? How many 9s fit into 3? And we can see that 9 cannot fit into 3. So we're going to just place a little dot above the 3. Then we ask ourselves, how many times can 9 fit into 30? And we can see that 9 fits into 30 3 times. So now we have the first digit of our answer, the number 3. And we write it above the long division symbol, making sure that we write it above the units column. Next we multiply 9 times 3, which gives us an answer of 27, and we write the answer underneath. Next, we subtract. 30 minus 27 gives us an answer of 3. And our last step is to bring down. But we have no more numbers to bring down, so we are left with 3, which is called the remainder. So we can see that 9 goes into 30 3 times with a remainder of 3. What do you think can be done about the 3 remaining eggs? Perhaps give them to children next door. Sharing is caring. Well, we have learned quite a lot about sharing things using basic operations of division. It is important to know that before we can do division, there are a lot of basic skills that we must understand. These include counting, adding and subtracting. You need to know your operation signs, and you need to understand place values and how to arrange our numbers when working out solutions. The main purpose of the videos is for us to develop an understanding of numbers and how to use the basic operations. The videos are therefore an introduction to developing basic number sense, which includes understanding the basic operations. It is also important that you should practice the use of the basic operations and then apply your understanding to more advanced number work in the higher grades. If you don't understand a specific step, the videos can help by making it possible to go back to topics done in earlier videos. The MIET Africa team wishes you well in your journey to becoming successful in maths. Maths is a wonderful subject that helps with all things that we do in life.